Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, boom! And welcome to my morning marketing minute tip of the day. Hi, if this is the first time you've ever seen me live, my name is Camille Tyler from Austin, Texas, and I am the owner and creator of Rock Your Biz Academy, where I come to you every day, Monday through Friday, to give you a little inspiration, a tip or two, to help you rock your biz online. All right, rock your biz, if you know what I'm talking about. Boom. Okay, so think your morning marketing tip of the day is watch your avatar. Now what? Now it doesn't mean the movie. Okay. Your avatar is your photo that you are sharing in your profile, all your profiles across the social media marketplace, okay? So be careful, be sure they're consistent, concise, and clear, okay? Because you have one chance to make a first impression. And if you got a picture of your dog or it's blurry, people aren't going to know you, like it, and trust you. And that is what we need to always think about when we are on social media. We need to build that know and that like and that trust factor, okay? So be sure that you have front lighting, not backlighting, because we don't want any like shadows on our face, okay? A natural light is the best. I mean, I'm using a Diva ring. Those are okay. But the best thing is, you can use a shop light, point it to the wall so you get the backlight of that $10 shop light, okay? All right? So I want you to look at your avatar across social media platforms, and you can go to Google and you can change your avatar so every time you send out an email that it's congruent, all right? Because people will begin to know you and like you and trust you. And they will start to think, oh, maybe I should follow her. Oh, maybe I should like her post, okay? So check your avatar. That's your morning marketing tip of the day. And thanks for all the love and appreciation. And be sure you go and turn your notifications on for inspiration and marketing tips, because I'm all about helping you rock your biz. Take care for now. See you soon. Bye.